Hi folks, it's Andy. I'm here to do the prize draw ceremony for the Kunakirwa fundraiser that we did with Rodrigo Laje. We've got a few of the prizes that I'm about to award to people. I've got all your names here. We've got a little, I'm going to pop them in the pot for selecting. I'm going to play a little bit of Mbira first, just to sort of, I don't know, create the right mood for this. Let's have a look at what we've got here. There's a G sharp Gandanga Mbira by Lovemore Salary. We've got a pair of G Nyamaropa Mbira from Samson Vure. Some different CD albums. The top prize is custom made Mbira for one of our lucky prize winners, just about to be announced by Rodrigo. And we've raised so far about over $1,200. There's still an option to donate to the project, at least until I think the middle of May. I'll pop a link in the video description for anybody that's missed out. You won't be winning a prize, but you'll be supporting this fantastic video project. The quality is amazing, and it's been set up so that they can, they're going to be promoting Mbira and Mbira culture through sharing this video, but also creating new income streams for all of the musicians and families that are involved in the video as well, in the film. So yeah, promoting Mbira and creating an income, that ties in really nicely with all of the work that I'm doing with Mbira Magic. So let's hear a tiny bit of Mbira to start off with, and then I'll start popping your names in the pot and select winners for these amazing prizes. Yeah, there's more prizes that aren't here other than Rodrigo's custom Mbira. There's online Mbira lessons, there's Mbira masterclasses, there's Mbira books, and there's downloadable music as well, Mbira music. So here we go. This is my own thing, based on some traditional parts. So let's run through all of the different prize winners. Our first tier, these are the masterclass winners. I did some juggling around with the prizes so that everybody gets more. And everybody that made a $5 donation, I'm awarding a access to Forward Kwenda's Nema Musasa Masterclass. There's $5 donation option for subscribers as well, and that because those guys subscribers to Mbira Online are already paying like $30 a month. I said to those guys, if you just put $5 in, then you can enter the higher tier price. So you guys, you're going to come later in this competition award video. So our $5 people, we had John Miller, Fanny, thanks so much for your donation. I know that you're not an Mbira player, but you really wanted to support the project, and I hope your dance work is going great. I saw your video on Facebook, it made me smile lots. Stephanie Abel, and then somebody I don't have a full name for, Abo Still. You guys, you're going to get the masterclass from Forward Quenda. Fanny, if you're not interested in the masterclass, I'll do a shuffle around and I'll see what else I can get you. Maybe some audio, some downloads, albums. Then there was a couple of you that aren't subscribers, but you're past subscribers, and you will already have access to Forward's Nomen Musasa masterclass. So I'm going to give you guys the option of either one of my books that you haven't already got, or 2 albums. We've got Chawapiwa and Mbuya Tembo's Mbira album. Anybody that wins one of the CDs, I've only got 10 copies of Mbuya Tembo's, so that's going to be first come, first serve, but a lot of people might just want to go straight for the download rather than have to pay for postage to get those sent out to you. So congratulations to Yana, Jacob and Owen Kokono. You guys, you're gonna, you can choose between a book or the 2 album option, because you've already got the masterclass. Nice one. Let's move on to the second tier. That's a $10 folk, $10 or more. We have got 2 kind of top prizes in this tier. I've bolt things together, so you might have thought you're only going to win one thing, but I'm doing it so that you're going to win loads. 2 of you that are going to win a video lesson with me, Mbira video lesson, Mbira album, that's a postage or download of one of those ones, and then you can also choose between the masterclass by Forward, the Nomen Musasa masterclass, or one of my books. So that's, I don't know how much that's worth. That's worth over like $110 prize for 2 of you, and then all of the rest of you are going to get either a masterclass or book. One of my, I think there's, I don't know how many books I've written now, like 3 or 4. I'll email you all anyway, so you can choose a masterclass or a book, and you get an album as well. So we need to choose the 2 of you that are going to get the video lesson as well. So I've got all your names written out here. I'm going to pop them in. Let me fold them all up and pop them in. That's exciting, isn't it? Thanks for watching this. Just kind of wanted to prove that you've been selected and how you were selected. Cool. So we'll pop the lid on there and give it a little shake. And then we're looking for our first 2 winners who are going to get the video lesson with me, masterclass, or book, and album. And our first winner there, we've got Kathy Underwood. And then our second winner, congratulations Kathy, our second winner is Robert Ackley. So Robert, your donation was incredible, and Rodrigo said to me that people that donated over a certain amount could also receive a special gift from him, and you're one of them that's going to receive access to he's doing an online conference about this video project Kunakirwa and travel in Zimbabwe. So you're one of 3 people that are going to get access to that. Yourself, along with Gabriel Zutrau, I think that's your surname, and Andrew Broadhead. So that's you 3 are going to also get that conference access. Kathy and Robert, you're going to get this video lesson with me, masterclass or book, and album. Congratulations, that's worth over $110. So well, nice result for your $10 entry, or $10 plus entry, I should say. Sorry. And then I should just tip these out. The remaining 5 of you are going to get masterclass or book and album. And those of you are Hannah KW, Sayin Abert, I don't know how to pronounce your name properly, I'm very sorry. Sayin Abert, Corey Potash, and who else we got here? Betty Weiss or Weiss. Thanks for your support and the subscription as well. That was a little while ago. Great to have you on board with that. And Richard Park, haven't seen you in ages. I hope you're well. Congratulations to all of you. And then we're moving on now to the higher tier. I'm just popping Robert and Kathy's names separate so that I know to give you the video lesson as well. So we're moving on, just check that's empty. We're moving on to the higher tier awards. This is the exciting bit for somebody who's going to win a custom Mbira, and these Mbiras are going to be going to some of you as well. I'll fold them all up and pop them in. So top prize in this next section is custom Mbira from Rodrigo. Second prize, pair of G9 Maropas from Samson Vure. Third prize, G-sharp Gandanga from Lovemore Salary. Fourth and fifth prize, this video lesson with me plus an album. Oh, why don't I chuck one of my books in there as well? Yeah. Fourth and fifth prize, video lesson, book, and album. Sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 14th prize is a book and an album. So, yeah, this is the exciting one. Who's going to win the custom Mbira from Rodrigo? I think between us, we raised... like Rodrigo did his own crowdfund, and he reached like over almost 3,000. It might have been 3,000, and we did 1,000, almost 1,300, I think it was. So we're almost sort of halved again his initial crowdfund. So that's, yeah, he's really pleased with that. In my hand here now, I've got the winner of the custom Mbira from Rodrigo. This is our star prize. Who's it going to be? Kyla Johnson. You've just joined up to Mbira.online and you've shown loads of enthusiasm. You sent over your picture with your 4-month-old and you look super happy. So what a great celebration this is for you. Yeah, Rodrigo's instruments are incredible, and yeah, that should really make your day. It's a great result for you, Kyla Johnson. Nice one. So our next prize is the pair of G9 Maropas from Samson Vure. I'm hoping somebody gets these that has got a playing partner. Let's see who it is. Oops, I've got a handful there. Just one. Silas, awesome. So I guess you and Jenny are going to be playing these. Nice one. Congratulations, Silas. I might be able to hand those to you so you don't need to pay for postage in the next weekend. Yeah, the 24th, if we do that meetup. Awesome result, well done, thank you, and thanks for sending that Dangu Rangu stuff over today. Nice one. Third prize, G-sharp Gandanga from Lovemore Salary. Rumby, you've only just joined up to Mbira Online as well, and you've got quite a few Mbiras coming through the post. I know, from Zimbabwe, and you're just about to get this one coming through the post to you as well. Congratulations. Prizes 4 and 5. Our next two people, you're going to get the video lesson, book and album. Gabriel, you're also getting that conference access, and yours was the biggest donation we received. I'm going to get in touch with you to tell you about some extra access you can get to Mbira.online. I know you were a subscriber in the past, and you haven't been for a little while, but I'm going to give you, I think, like, I'll say it aloud, 6 months of some Mbira.online subscription as a reward on top of being 4th prize there, and your conference access. Nice one. Thanks so much for your support, Gabriel. I hope you're well. I enjoy our chats. Nice one. 5th prize, video lesson, book and album. Doug Druek, I think is your pronunciation. I'll put a question mark there because I only have your email address. Doug Druek. Congratulations to you. Yeah, thank you for being a Mbira Online subscriber, and you're going to get your video lesson, book and album super soon. I'll mail you. Cheers. And then everybody else that's going to come out this pot now, you're on the book and album. Really appreciate all of you guys being Mbira Online subscribers. Jory or Yuri Butchell, I never know how to pronounce your first name. Congratulations. Jeroen, you've just joined up and we've had some encouraging chats with you. Andrew, remember you're going to get the conference access as well. Congratulations. Thanks so much for your ongoing support. You've been super supportive of everything that I'm doing, and you're sharing information with other people, you're promoting what I'm doing, you're getting involved with everything, you're asking questions, you're giving advice, and yeah, I really appreciate you. Thank you. Alain Lalonde. I think you've been a subscriber for a long time now. Thank you very much for your ongoing support. Remus Lucas, again, another long-term subscriber. Thank you very much. I hope you guys are all loving the project. Dylan recently joined up. I'm looking forward to having a chat with you. We've been chatting on email. I met you in the Philippines, didn't I? Yeah, nice one. It's amazing how things sort of evolve. Joseph Damulan. Who else have we got here? Milena, right from the start, 2015, when I wrote my first book, you got in there, you bought the book, and you gave a testimonial, and yeah, you've just been, I think you're very much an Mbira addict like me, and I really appreciate your support and everything that I do. Like Andrew, you just, totally on board, and I really value your participation, support, encouragement. With everything. So that's everyone that we put into the hat, or into the pot, sorry. There's just a couple of more people that entered or made a donation quite late on, and I'm going to give you guys an album download to say thank you for participating. We've got Deborah Laycock, and we've also got, I haven't got a name for you, Mr. Dude. Hopefully you recognise yourself there, and everyone's going to get an email anyway. So nice one. Kyla, top prize winner. Big congratulations to you, and congratulations to everyone. I think you're all going to be receiving more than you're expecting, unless you were there expecting the top prize, but that had to go to just one person, I'm afraid. Thank you very much, everybody. Rodrigo's really happy, and what I was just playing there, I'm going to be exploring in the next video that I put out for progression 7. I've been sort of delaying making that video because it's my favourite progression out of all of the song structures, and I kind of wanted to do it justice, and I sort of landed on this new variation which has got a bit of background to it, and I'm going to share that with you and talk about that song structure in the next video. So if you've made it through to the end of this video, nice one, hit subscribe, and yeah, you'll get info on all sorts of Mbira tricks and ideas. I think that's it, yeah. Thanks to everybody that supports the work that I'm doing. Thanks from Rodrigo for everybody that made a contribution or donation. And if you haven't yet, check out the link in the video description, and you can pop something in there before around mid-May. Yeah. Well done, everybody. Congratulations. And thanks very much for watching. Cheers.